In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate web pages in the Opera web browser by default or automatically on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera button up in the menu bar and then select where it says Settings. You want to search the settings for Translate. Where it says use Opera Translate, when on, Opera Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. Make sure that's toggled on, and then where it says automatically translate these languages, you can select add languages here. If you want to add languages by default that if you frequent very regularly on your browsing sessions, you can select that, add it, and then it will automatically convert or translate over to your preferred language. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.